So in today's video, we are going to be discussing how to design a responsive invoice page using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. So here we go. This is our invoice.php page. So as you can see, we have a basic header and a footer in this page. And so in this design, we have a horizontal line dividing that, and then we have a print button and an export as PDF button. So that again is divided by a line, and we have a logo at the text start or the left end of our program, and on our right we have our eShop address and our details. So and then again on our right invoice is written to, so that means that's a customer or the recipient. So here we'll be having their address and email, and we'll be having the invoice name here. So this is a text start because it's on the left, full left ident of a page, and on the full right ident of a page it's a text end. So we have date and time of invoice, and we have that, and here we have a table here. So we have the invoice number, our order ID and product, our unit price, our quantity, and our total price. So here we have the order number. This is all in table row values: Apple iPhone, unit price, and then the quantity and the total price. And again here we have introduced 3 columns, and in that 3 columns we can see a subtotal, delivery fee, and a grand total. And here we have said thank you. So basically our table ends after this point, and then after that we have divided our columns again, and here we have a label saying notice purchase items can be returned by 7 days of delivery only, and we have a blue horizontal line dividing, and invoice was created on a computer and is valid without signature and seal. So that is it. So this is totally the invoice, and we can print it, and it's a valid invoice. So this is it for this video on how we do the user ID. So let's move on to the part where we are going to design this on our code. So this is our invoice.php code for our program. So as you can see here, we have the basic HTML tags, and here we have our title and the CSS files and icons which we need. And here we have opened our body class with a margin top of 2 and a style color of whitish color. And here we have linked in our header. And moving down, we've opened all of these in a container fluid div class, and it's all in a row format. And moving down, we have a horizontal line here like we saw in our program, and our 2 buttons on the justify on the end of our page, right end. So that's why we have justify content in. So we have a print button and export button. The colors are dark and danger for red, and we have another line. And moving down again, we have a invoice header image, so that is that. And moving down, we have a title as a heading 2, and then we have our address, all other text in. So it's basically right idented. And again we have another line. And moving down, we have our invoice written to, and we have our address. This is all on the left side of our program, and here again it's all right idented again. So we have the invoice details, date of time on the right, and we have a table opening up. So basically these are the head values of our table: the hashtag number, hashtag, order ID and product, and our unit price, quantity, and price. And moving down, these are table values which we have here. And here these are table footer which we have in the light gray lines. So we have the subtotal and our total, and we have a delivery fee and that value and the grand total. And on the left side of our page, so this is all done in a done in a column 4, and on the left side it will say thank you, and we have a margin top of -100 pixels, and this text will be displayed in green color. And at the bottom we have a notice for a label. So the background color is this, and in that notice, in our form label, it will say purchased items cannot be returned after 7 days of delivery, and then we have another horizontal line dividing that, and then we have this value displayed. This will be at the center of our page because it's text center. And finally we have our programs footer, and here we have a bootstrap JavaScript file and a personal JavaScript file. So in our style.css we have our invoice header image. So here we have our logo once again, and it will be a 80 pixel image, and it won't repeat, and the size is contained to the size of our screen, so 80 pixels. And that is it for this video on how to design a responsive invoice page. Thank you for watching.